Hey, it's Raymond here at the UMI Performance Race Shop in front of part number 272829. Outboard shock mount kit for 67 to 69 Camaro and Firebird, first gen. Here at UMI, we're in the performance business. So sometimes you want to take the stock style shocks off and run a true racing shock, double shear upper and lower. This leaf spring mount allows you to do that. You can see it's nice and thick, two sections here. It also has a heavy duty double shear shock mount, so you can put your true racing style shock in here. Up top, we also have a double shear mount. This one's normal. This one is actually a nice upgrade by our engineering department. It has a bevel on it, and it's going to keep the shock aligned nice and straight, nice smooth travel for that. It's a good upgrade from the UMI engineers. It also includes all the hardware. It's available in red or black powder coat, 100% made in Phillipsburg, PA, USA, and a great upgrade for your first gen Camaro and Firebird. If you have any product related questions about any of the things you see in our videos, you can email us at sales@umiperformance.com. And if you have any technical questions, we're always available at support@umiperformance.com.